I'm going to talk about upcoming pattern. Let's look at weather warning. There is some weather warning, but this for London, Brantford, Hamilton, Oakville, Saga, Brampton, Toronto, Richmond Hill, Scarborough, Stouffville, Newmarket, Orangewood, Berry, Babylon, Georgia, Duly Niagara, and Lake Niagara Falls City. Those cities are gonna get some weather warning with some heat warning. That's a yellow warning. It's gonna be first event of the season will begin this afternoon. It's expected to continue into Tuesday. It's going to be daytime highs near 30 degrees Celsius. It's going to be humidex near 36 degrees Celsius. So let's go to pressure patterns. So let's go to pressure patterns starting from, not yet, starting from 8 p.m. May the 18th. So 1012, 1060 millibars of pressure, 1040 millibars of pressure is an orange honey market. So let's go to next hour, which is the 19th. So 1008, 1004, 1012 millibars of pressure. Let's go to the next hour, which is 8 p.m. May the 20th. There is something. 1024, 1020, 1022 millibars of pressure. Let's go to next hour, which is 8 p.m. May the 21st. So 1028, 1024 millibars of pressure, 1025 millimeter, 27 millibars of pressure. Let's go to next hour, which is 1026 millibars of pressure. Let's go to 8 p.m. May 22nd. There is something. 1024, 1020 millibars of pressure, 1060 millibars of pressure, but actually 1022. Let's go to precipitation pattern starting from 2 p.m. There is nothing else. 5 p.m. There is something. So line said Palm Beach, Southern Midlands, good to get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 8 p.m. So line said it'll be Wartown, Port Elton, Hanover, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Betty, Georgia, Beverly Hills. Those is going to get some 0.24 millimeters of rainfall. Southern Bay, Milan, is going to get some 0.2.5 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to 11 p.m. There is something. Line said it'll be Wartown, Port Elton, Hanover, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Georgia, Beverly Hills, Betty. Those is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to the next hour, which is 8 a.m. There is something. Line said Palm Beach, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Hitler, Nolala, Sissaga, Brampton, Orangewood, Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stouffville. Those cities are going to get some parts of outside. It's going to get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Sotheby. Hopefully, it's going to get some 0.25 millimeters, 2.5 millimeters of rainfall. Boyles in Honda is going to get some 6.25 millimeters of rainfall. White and 12.5 millimeters of rainfall. Oku is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to the next tower, which is 11 a.m. There is something. So, line said Collingwood, Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Ilala, Beverly Hills, Oakwood, Moses, Sissaga, Brampton, Orangewood, Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Coburg. Those is going to get some 0.24 millimeters of rainfall. For us, it's going to get some 2.5, 6.25 millimeters of rainfall, including Whiteton. Hanover's 2.5 millimeters of rainfall. Saturday is going to get some 2.5 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to Adela, 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to the next hour, which is 2 p.m. There is something. Wyerton, Georgia, Babylon, Betty, Adela, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Coburg, Peterborough. Those is going to get some 0.24 millimeters of rainfall, including the Orange County market, which you know. So let's go to the next hour, which is 5 p.m. There is something. Line said, obey Wharton. Honover, those is ready, Alala, Georgia, Babylon, Newmarket, Orange Falls, Dover, looks which. Those is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to the next hour, which is 8 p.m. There is something. Hoopsie, Whiteton, Collingwood, Bombay, Sotheby, Mainland, Eddie, Beverly, Georgia, Brampton, Orangewood, Newmarket, Stouffville, Richmond Hill, Scarborough, Mosswood. Those is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Whereas it's 2.5 Farnham is going to get some 2.6.25 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to the next hour, which is 11 p.m. There is something. Lancero, B, Collingwood, Bombay, Sunderby, Salaby, Betty, Bablas, Georgia, Brampton, Orangewood, Newmarket, Richmond Hill, Scarborough, Uxbridge, those it's going to get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall, or the last 2.5 millimeters, but 2.5 millimeters. Boyle is going to get some 6.25 millimeters, Hanover is going to get some 12.5 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 8 a.m., which is May the 20th, there is something. Scarborough, Stouffville, Lashwa, Uxbridge, Coburg, Peterborough, Niagara Lake, parts of Niagara Falls City, those cities are going to get some 0.24 millimeters of rain for Niagara Falls City. Heaviest superfine is 0.25 millimeters, including Richmond Hills, 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to the next hour, which is 11 a.m. There is something. So, Niagara Lake, parts of Niagara Falls City is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Latest Niagara Falls City is 0.25, it's going to be 2.5 millimeters. So let's go to the next hour, which is 2 p.m. Maybe we're in Niagara Falls 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to 5 p.m. There is nothing else. 8 p.m. There's nothing else. 7 p.m. There's nothing else. 8 a.m. There's nothing else. 11 a.m. There's nothing else. 2 p.m. There's nothing else. 5 p.m. There's nothing else. 8 p.m. There's nothing else. 11 p.m. There's nothing else. 8 a.m. There's nothing else. 11 a.m. There's nothing else. 2 p.m. There's nothing else. 5 p.m. There's nothing else. 8 p.m. There's nothing else. 11 p.m. There's nothing else. So let's go back to 5 p.m. There's nothing else for May 20th. So anything beyond May 20th, 5 p.m. There's nothing else. So let's look at total precipitation starting from 8 p.m. There is something. So let's flip this into 12 hours because don't need like 7 minutes. So white and 12 millimeters, Boyles is gonna get some 17 millimeters of rainfall. Hanover is gonna get some 12 millimeters of rainfall. Cotton 2 millimeters. Bombay's gonna be 2 millimeters. Sotheby 2 millimeters. Midland 3 millimeters. Olala, it's gonna be 5 millimeters. Jordania, Beverly is Betty 2 millimeters. Line says gonna get some 5 millimeters, 4 millimeters. Hope says gonna get some 4 millimeters of rainfall. Brampton 2 millimeters, Mississauga 1 millimeters, Sarasota 1 millimeters, Scarborough 2 millimeters, Stouffville 2 millimeters, Newmarket 3 millimeters, Orangewood 3 millimeters, Uxbridge 2 millimeters, Sasha 1 millimeters, Coburg 0.7 millimeters, Peterborough is gonna get some 5 millimeters, 0.5 millimeters, like 0.9 millimeters. So let's go to the next tower. Local latest it's going to get 0.2. Heavy is going to get some 0. It's going to be 1 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to the next tower, which is 8 p.m. May the 20th. There is something. Whiteton 8 millimeters. Port Elgin's going to get some 6 millimeters. Hanover 7 millimeters. So hopefully 1 millimeters. Bombay's gonna get some 0.7 millimeters. Sunnybee's gonna get some 0.5 millimeters. Sotheby 0.5 millimeters. 0.6. It's gonna be 0.9 millimeters in Sunnybee's Sotheby. So Vinland's gonna be 0.8 millimeters. Adela's gonna Berry's gonna get some 0. No, it's gonna be 0.9. Georginia's gonna be 0.6 millimeters. Babylon's is gonna get some 0.5 millimeters of rainfall. Adela's gonna get some 0.4 millimeters. Texas 0.5. Scarborough, the heavy is gonna be 0.9 millimeters, light is gonna be 0.3 millimeters, which is gonna get some 0.5 millimeters of rainfall, Sax is 0.7, so the Stoffels and size is same thing as Scarborough. So Hamilton Oracle 0.3 millimeters, Oracle the heaviest is going to be 0.3 millimeters, 0.4 millimeters, light is 0.2. So let's look at our solar expensive. It is 0.7 millimeters of rainfall, including Scarborough Stover. Coburg is going to get some 1 millimeters of rainfall. Peterborough is going to get some 0.6 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to the next suburb, which is everywhere Niagara Falls. Niagara Lake, 1 millimeters. Niagara Falls City is 5 millimeters. So Brampton is going to be 0.3 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to the next suburb, which is Signal Brampton. So let's go to the next suburb, which is 8 p.m. May 21st. This is nothing else. Let's go to 8 p.m. May 22nd is nothing else. So let's look at air temperature patterns starting from 3 p.m. Not 3 p.m. Skip 3 p.m. So Washington 27 degrees, Port Royal 23 degrees, Honolulu 25 degrees, Collingwood 27 degrees, Palm Beach 25 degrees, 24 degrees in Solid Bay. Thunder Bay's gonna get some 18 degrees, Atlanta's gonna get some, Atlanta's gonna get some 25 degrees, Honolulu's gonna get some 26 degrees, Eddie's gonna get some 27.5 degrees, Jordania's gonna get some 25 degrees, Bevlas is gonna get some 27 degrees. Everywhere in was 27 degrees. Hamilton Oakland 27 degrees. Oakland's gonna get some 21 degrees. Sisaka 22 degrees. Branson 30 degrees. Oval 29 degrees. Scarborough is gonna get some 25 degrees. Toronto 22 degrees. Scarborough is actually 27 degrees. Newmarket also 28 degrees. Oaksville 28 degrees. Sato 22 degrees. Peterborough 26 degrees. Coburg 70 degrees. Belleville 24 degrees. So let's go to the Hope's Wave. It is 22 degrees. Line says gonna get some 21 degrees. So let's go to the next tower, which is let's go to the next tower, which is 7 a.m. There is something. So Boyarden's gonna get some 17 degrees. Hanover 17 degrees, 18 degrees. Line says gonna get some 11 degrees. Hopefully, he's gonna get some 12 degrees. So, Bombay's gonna be 17 degrees. Sotheby's gonna get some 16 degrees. Dunleavy's gonna get some 15 degrees. So, 12 degrees. Everywhere now was 19 degrees. Hamilton, Oakville, 17 degrees. Mississauga, Oakville's gonna be 17 degrees. Mississauga, 80 degrees. Atlanta, 80 degrees. Brampton 21 degrees, Tofu 21 degrees, Scarborough 90 degrees, Newmarket also 20 degrees, Souksville 90 degrees, Oshawa 15 degrees, Peterborough 90 degrees, Coburg 13 degrees, Belleville 80 degrees, Jordania 20 degrees, Beverly's is gonna get some 20 degrees, Varys 19 degrees, so 19 degrees, Alala is gonna get some 19 degrees, so let's go to the next tower, which is 3 p.m. There is something. So Whiteton 27 degrees, Royalton 22 degrees, Hanover 25 degrees, Collingwood 26 degrees, Palm Beach 24 degrees, Sotheby 24 degrees, Thunder Beach gonna get some 13 degrees, 14. So Milan's gonna get some 27 degrees. So everywhere now I've got 26.5 degrees. Hamilton, Oakland 23 degrees. Oakland's gonna get some 22 degrees. That's so cold as Walmart's gonna be 23 degrees. Saga 24 degrees. Brampton 30 degrees. Tofu 29 degrees. Scarborough is gonna get some 30 degrees. Toronto 24 degrees. Newmarket also 27 degrees. 28 degrees and whatever. 27 degrees Oaksville, Shasha 22 degrees, Peterborough 26 degrees, Coburg 70 degrees, Bravo 25 degrees, Georginia is gonna get some 26 degrees, Bablas is gonna get some 27 degrees, 26 degrees. Slow, Betty's gonna get some 27.5 degrees. So let's go to Lion Hope's Way, but it's 22 degrees, Line say 21 degrees. Let's go to the next tower, which is 7 a.m. There is something. So, White Line said Obey 6 degrees, Boy Odds in Hanover 6 degrees, Collingwood 6 degrees, Bombay 6 degrees, Holloway 7 degrees, Thunder Beach 6 degrees, Georginia is gonna get some. Georginia is gonna get some 9 degrees, Bavlas is gonna get some 8 degrees. So, 8 degrees in Beverly Hills, very 7 degrees. Everywhere I was say 13 degrees. Hamilton, Oakland, 31 to 11 degrees. Saga 12 degrees. Brampton 11 degrees. Tofu 10 degrees. Scarborough 11 degrees. Down to 9 degrees. 12 degrees. Newmarket, Orange 9 degrees. Uxbridge 8 degrees. Ashford 10 degrees. Peterborough 10 degrees. Coburg 11 degrees. Belleville 14 degrees. So let's go to the next verb, which is let's go to the next verb, which is 3 p.m. There is something. Whiten 8 degrees, line set, obey 8 degrees, 7 degrees. Orelson 6 degrees, Hanover 7 degrees, Lingwood 9 degrees, Solid Base, good to get some 8 degrees, Bombay 8 degrees, Thunder Beach 6 degrees, Georgia 11 degrees, Beverly Hills 11 degrees, Eddie, 10 degrees. So everywhere now, I've got 16 degrees. Hamilton, Oakland, 15 degrees. It's Oakland, 50 degrees. Sisaga, 70 degrees. Brampton, 70 degrees. Tofu, 50 degrees. Scarborough, 60 degrees. Downtown to 70 degrees. Newmarket, Orange 40 degrees. Uxbridge, 12 degrees. Asheville, 50 degrees. Meadwell, 30 degrees. Coburg, 30 degrees. Belleville, 70 degrees. Let's go to the next tower, which is 7 a.m. There is something, so. Y temp 5 degrees, line set, obey 4 degrees, 4 hours 5 degrees, sunward 5 degrees, Lingwood 5 degrees, warm east and beach, Alabama, mainland 5 degrees, Olala 4 degrees, Mary 4 degrees, Georgia 7 degrees, Beverly 7 degrees, Branson 7 degrees, Mississauga 7 degrees, Hamilton, Oracle 8 degrees, everywhere in Agua 5 degrees, Toronto 7 degrees, Dover 6 degrees, Scarborough 7 degrees, Sigma 5 degrees. Sunny Market 5 degrees, Orangeville 4 degrees, Uxbridge 4 degrees, Sasha 6 degrees, Peterborough 5 degrees, Coburg 6 degrees, Balboa 6 degrees. Let's go to 3 p.m. There is something. So, Whiteton 9 degrees, Worlds 9 degrees, Hanover 8 degrees, 10 degrees, Collingwood 8 degrees, Palm Beach 9 degrees, Sotheby's going to be 9 degrees, 8 degrees. Thunder Beach going to get some 5 degrees. Everywhere in Aqua 4 degrees, Hamilton, Oakland 10 degrees, Mississauga is going to be 9 degrees. That's Oakland included. So Brampton 14 degrees, Downtown 9 degrees. Scarborough 12 degrees, 30 degrees. Tofu 40 degrees. Newmarket, Orangeville is going to be 13 degrees. Hooksville 12 degrees. Ashford 10 degrees. Speedway 30 degrees. Coburg 8 degrees. Balboa 40 degrees. Georgia is going to get some 11 degrees. Beverly Hills 12 degrees, Mary 12 degrees, Alala 30 degrees, so line says going to get some 11 degrees. Hope is Wade's going to get some 6 degrees, so let's go to next topic, which is air. There is something. Boy, else and Hanover is going to be 9 degrees. Why? Start the whole thing again. So Boy, else is going to get some 9 degrees. Hanover's going to get 8 degrees. White 8 degrees. Line said Obey is going to get some 7 degrees. Collingwood 8 degrees, Palm Beach 8 degrees, South Bay 9 degrees, Midland 9 degrees, Palm Beach, Sunny Beach 9 degrees, so Georgia is going to get some 10 degrees, Very 10 degrees, Beverly is going to get some 10 degrees, Olala is going to get some 10 degrees, so 11 degrees, 9 degrees. It's in Olala, so everywhere 9.5 degrees, Hamilton, Oakville 9 degrees, Mississauga 9 degrees, Brampton 10 degrees, Tofu 9 degrees, Scarborough 10 degrees. Down to 9 degrees. Newmarket 10 degrees, Orangeville, Newmarket, Orangeville is good to get some 8 degrees. Uxbridge 9 degrees, Oshawa 10 degrees, Peterborough 9 degrees, Coburg 9 degrees, Belleville 10 degrees. So let's go to Thunder Beach, which is Thunder Beach is gonna be 8 degrees, Palm Beach 8 degrees, so that's corrected that. So let's go to London. Let's go to 2 p.m., which is 2 p.m. There is something. Brighton 30 degrees, Royals 40 degrees, Hanover 40 degrees, Collingwood 40 degrees, Palm Beach 50 degrees, Solid Bay 50 degrees, Sunny Beach gonna be 14 degrees, and Land's gonna get some 16 degrees, so it's going 15.5. Or the left 15.5 degrees, ready 15 degrees, Bablas is 15 degrees, Georgia 50 degrees. Everywhere now plus 15 degrees, Hamilton, Oakland 10 degrees, Mississauga 11 degrees, Ranton 30 degrees, Norfolk 10 13 degrees, Scarborough 12 degrees, down to 11 degrees, Newmarket, Orange 30 degrees hooks with 40 degrees also, 40 degrees Peterborough, 16 degrees Coburg, 11 degrees Ravels, 16 degrees. So let's go to line set OB, which is 7 degrees. So let's go to. So this is the end of the video. So that means that's the wrong temperature. So it's going to be 11 degrees, so 9 degrees. So let's do it again for line set OB. So line set OB is going to be 7 degrees. So this is the actual end of the video. So